Hi, today we'll be talking about three factors multiplication and missing numbers in multiplication. Let's get started. So let's say you want to do x times y times z. Well, how do you tackle three numbers or three factors multiplication? Well, the key is to pick two of them first. So let's do an example. So we have 9 times 5 times 4. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick 5 times 4 first. So 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Now I'm going to do 20 times 9. 20 times 9 is equal to 180. So 9 times 5 times 4 is equal to 180. Now, why can I pick any two factors first? I could have picked 9 and 5 first. I could have also picked 9 and 4 first. Well, that's because of the commutative property. So thank you, commutative property. And smiley faces. So it's a really nice trick. It makes our lives easier, and that's great. So now let's move on to missing numbers in multiplication. So we have that 5 times x is equal to 35. Well, we use inverse operations just as we did for the subtraction and addition ones. So I'm going to divide 35 by 5. And 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. So we kind of know that 7 is equal to x, but let's just check. So 5 times 7 is equal to 35. So it works. So x is equal to 7. Now let's do one more example. So we have 3 times x is equal to 96. Again, we're going to use inverse operations as we did on the previous problem and do 96 divided by 3. Well, 96 divided by 3 is equal to 32. Okay? And we all know that 32 is equal to x. But let's just check. Let's do 3 times 32. What's that equal to? Well, let's do that quickly. 32 times 3 is equal to 6 times, okay, it is equal to 96, and so it works. So x is equal to 32. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.